Assalamu alaikum dear student. Welcome to Sufa English High School. In last video we was reading 1.4 this chapter what is musical plants, and the remaining topic we will cover today. Inshallah you will learn a better this lesson and solve out the question answer of this topic. So let us start to read with me all of you. So dear student, let us start to reading this lesson which we stopped in previous lecture. So let us start. We all know that about the plants. The plants had been lost by Revati. Someone stole her plant, balsam plant, which is so unique, which is dance according to their tune, music. In Raga Mohanam, these types of music, when Revati start playing that music, the plant moved and danced, bent toward her. You can observe the picture. The picture is given here in page number 19. You can see the picture and you can notice that Revati, when she start playing violin, the plant moved toward her. And the remaining paragraph, now I am going to read it. So boys and girls, open your books and start reading with me. So let us start. First, Revati's grief knew no bounds. She was so sad. She went around asking everyone on her neighbors. She went outside of her courtyard and asked her neighbors about the plants. But no one had been anywhere near the pot of plants, but everyone gave negative response to her. She could not lodge a complaint for a pot of plants, but she didn't complain her pot too near. She felt though everything was lost. She felt that she lost everything. She did not mind not getting the prize, but she did not mind that she will get a best prize, but she will mind for her plants. But really she missed her plants. She had grown very fond of them. They were her friend who enjoyed with her music. She missed the plants. Why? Because the plants are her friends. They enjoy her music, so that she is missing her plants. And further, that evening all her friends were going to prize distribution ceremony. She did not want to attend, but her friend forced her to. After reaching the place, she went to the benches where the potted plants were displayed. Revati was shocked. There was her pot of plants on a bench with the name of distant neighbor of her as the competitor written on a small piece of cardboard and placed in the soil. She knew it was her pot of plants. She went to the organizer of the show and told them about it. She did not want to go the prize distribution ceremony, but her friend forced her to come with us. As soon as she reached there, what did she see? There is her plants. She shocked because the name of a neighbor lie there on the soil. Soil means mitti. And she went to the organizer to tell him about her plants. The organizer were not convinced, but the organizer did not be convinced for her statement. They said, "How can you prove that the plants are yours? The lady who submitted them is a regular participant. How can we doubt her?" Organizer gave reply to her, "How can I believe on you? That is your plants. because the plants of that lady, she took every time participate in this competition. We cannot be doubt on her. The reply given by organizer to Rewati. Rewati wondered how to convince them. She sat there for a few minutes looking at the plants. The sight of the plants bending toward her while she played her violin flashed across her mind. She told the organizers that she could prove that plants were hers. She ran home. When she returned a few minutes later with her violin in, they started laughing. Rewati decided that she will prove that, she will convince to organizer, it is my plant. So she went to home and bring something, means violin, and everybody is laughing at her and further. But their ridicule did not deter her from her mission. She told them, I know my plants and I share a secret with them. My plants are music lovers like me, and you could see how they respond when I play to them. They all laughed louder, saying that they had never heard of plants enjoying music. They asked her, do plants have ears like us to enjoy your music? No one believed her. She said to the organizer, my plants are music lover. When I will start playing violin, they will enjoy this. But all the organizer and people are laughing at her. Do you saying correct? That the plants have ears. How can they hear your music? How can they behave like us? That types of sentence organizer using there. And further, they all laughed louder, means they laughed louder and louder on her. She felt very dejected. Dejected means sad, disappointed. She felt very dejected but was determined to win her plants back. She sat near her plants with her violin and slowly started playing her favorite raga. Engrossed in her music, Rewati even forget her plants for a time, but the other could not. With wonder in their eyes, they watched the plants straight at first. They bent slightly as she played on and on. Their stems bent toward Rewati as they wanted to touch her. In their happiness, the organizers were stunned. They had watched anew. The organizer shocked. As soon as the Rewati start playing the violin, all the plants, means the balsam plants, movement toward her, bent toward her, enjoying the music. Organizer shocked. What is happened there? And in the last paragraph, phenomena of plants responding to music, and Rewati had become a great discoverer. They all applauded her and said they were convinced that the plants were hers. They pulled her neighbor up for cheating them, and she accepted after a long argument that she had stolen Rewati's plants. She said while walking past Rewati's house, she had spotted the plants and had removed the pot in the night to her house and submitted it later for the contest. As she was a regular participant, no one doubted her. The authorities decide that Rewati's plants deserve the first prize as they were the best looking and healthy. Rewati carried home the prize proudly with her pot of plants. So, boys and girls, recently we had completed this lesson of reading. In this lesson, we learn Revati's musical plants, how she proved that the plants of her with the help of music, and inshallah in next video I will ask question from you regarding of this topic. So at your home read all these lesson and find out all the information regarding of balsam plant and Revatis, how she discovered the plant which is in dance on the music of Revatis. Okay boys and girls, if you have any doubt in any word, you may contact me in WhatsApp. I will solve your doubt. Yet then, Assalamu alaikum.